You can hear your tires, you can hear the wind, but can you hear your music? You need more than stock. You need NVY. DS18's NVY-JL24SBAR loaded is the soundbar Jeep should have had. It's made to go anywhere, play anything, loud, clean, and clear. It comes fully loaded with 4 8-inch NVY M8 speakers, rated at 500 watts RMS with built-in super tweeters. That means serious volumes at zero distortion, even on highway speeds with the top off. Wrapped in marine-grade leather, tough enough for the trails, stylish enough for the shows. UV and water resistant, so yes, you can take the top off, the doors off, and turn the volume up. And when it gets late, LEDs built in the speakers and the badge to control them off the palm of your hand with your playlist or whatever mood you're in. Everything NVY is built simple but clean. This soundbar fits JL, JLU, JT Gladiators 24 and up. That's straight into the factory mounts. No cutting necessary, and that's as easy as installs get. You didn't buy a Jeep to blend in, so don't let the sound fall flat. Upgrade now to NVY, where audio has no limits. We like it loud, baby.